Hello again, and welcome to our little monthly blog. We have reached the beginning of May, beautiful time of year, and the sun is getting stronger each day, and the leaves are everywhere, as I'm sure you know. And we're beginning to think about the retreats and one or two other elements over the summer that are all about actually meeting. We've got so used to our online ministry that sometimes the idea of actually meeting up with people seems a bit strange, whereas in fact it's the most natural thing in the world. And in fact, not only is it natural, but it's the most wonderful thing in the world to encounter other people and to develop spiritually together in the same room. So with that little introduction, I'm going to hand over to Kimerie to tell us about all of that, but specifically about the retreat that is fast approaching, I think.
Yes, thank you, Steve. It seems to me, actually, it's not just wonderful, it's imperative. We need to be together. We need to be physically in the same room. Zoom has made it very easy for us to connect. And in many ways, we've got lazy because we don't need to go anywhere. We can just sit in our chair, put the computer on, join in, and then switch it off and go back to our day as if nothing really happened at all. Whereas when we get together in person, it's more physical. It's a mind, body, spirit, soul, heart, mind, body thing. That whole experience is impacted when we come together, especially when it's a spirit-driven event, like our retreats, like all the things that we do in Unity, really. So yes, at this time, we've got 2 rooms left at Whalley Abbey for our June retreat. Paul and I and Nancy have been planning what we want to do, and have got all sorts of ideas and experiences to share with you. Following the teachings of Jesus, we have a closer walk with God. And at the end of the day, it's that closer walk that changes us. And so as we tune into that energy, we are changed. It's my message over and over again. So yes, we've got 2 rooms left at Whalley Abbey in June. At the moment, our retreat is wide open for September in southwest London at the Kairos Centre. They're both beautiful places to visit and to be looked after by the lovely people that serve us. I also want to say about our celebration day this year. We're actually meeting in Birmingham because we wanted to be in the middle of the country so that more people can find us more easily, connect with us. So if you're anywhere around sort of the Midlands, North, South, East, West, travel to us at Birmingham. Let's meet each other this year. Let's get together in person. It's 100 years of Daily Word we're celebrating, so it's going to be all about that and the messages of Daily Word and how Daily Word supports us and how it can continue to support us. So you being there in the day will contribute very physically, visibly to that energy. How do we see Daily Word moving forward now? Life is so different. So there's all sorts of things we can discuss and share. And as I wrote in my little article, Jesus was one for being with the people. And you're talking about that at the talk in May this time at our Sunday service. I mean, they shared food and wine, and I'm not promising wine, but I am promising tea and cake if I like tea and cake. so I'll bring it if I have to. But it's just so heartwarming to get together, and I really have missed it. And I've realized recently how much I've missed it. So life is different, life is moving on, but we can still get together. We still can travel. So let's do it. Let's come together. Let's celebrate each other and that God energy that we really are striving to know and live. So that's my message.
Well, a very inspiring message, and I've got nothing more to say apart from let's do it, which is taking up your little theme there. Let's meet each other. And we will meet again in a month online. So bye-bye.